Hi guys, so here I got the Kingpin assembly for the front subframe Pagoda. That's the one that was a little tight and I had to take it apart again, and it actually took just one pass with the 320 grit hone. One pass in and out and it's perfect. Right now you can see I can just it moves on its own. It's just couldn't be better. Okay, let's take a look at this again. So right now I'm torqued to like 35 foot-pounds because I'm gonna open it again just to show you one little trick because I messed up the shield on it, and I mean I didn't really mess it up. I bent that by putting it in a vise. What I will do, I will open it up and show you, because when I originally, even after the first hone, I thought there was still something wrong with it, and then I found out that the shield that I reuse was pushed in a tad, and how I fixed it I'm going to show you that in a second. So I'm going to move to the garage. I'm going to pause for a second, move to the garage and show you how I fixed that shield. Okay, so I got this shaft out again, and I'm going to show you what was the final issue. Like, everything was moving nice and smooth until I really pressed everything together. And since I reused the old shield, I decided they were thicker. I liked them better than the new one that came in a package. So I cleaned them up, but I noticed as this was put in a vise, this piece here got squished ever so slightly, and it was causing a little nudge when shaft was moving inside. So how I fixed it, it feels, well, you can't put the socket on it, so what I did, shield is nice and rounded. It's the shield is perfect. So now when I torque everything back together, it's nice and smooth. And you know what, why did I decide to reuse the old shields? Because to tell you true, they look thicker than the new ones that came with the package, and since there was no rust whatsoever on it, I figure, you know what, if they lasted 60 some years already, they're gonna last till the end of my days as well. So so I put them back on. That's it. So anyway, that's a short video, and that's it.